Hey, here we are solving a linear equation and it has fractions in it. The equation is 3x minus 7 all over 2 plus 3 minus 5x all over 3 equals 3 minus 6x all over 5. So we talked about when we had fractions, we wanted to look at those denominators, which the denominators here are 2, 3, and 5. So we need a number that 2, 3, and 5 all go into. And the least common multiple there, least common multiple of 2, 3, and 5 is 30. So we're going to take this thing and multiply everything by 30. The long story of that is we will have 30 times 3x minus 7 all over 2 plus 30 times 3 minus 5x all over 3, and that will be equal to 30 times 3 minus 6x all over 5. And we can go back to these and we can say 30 over 2 is 15, 30 over 3 is 10, and 30 over 5 is 6. And we're going to use our distributed property to push that 15 into the 3x minus 7, which will give us 45x minus, ooh, I didn't know there'd be math involved. Hold on. Okay, we're back. 15 times negative 7 is negative 105. And we'll push the 10 into the 3 minus 5x, so that'll be 30 minus 50x. And the 6 into the 3, let me make that clear. 6 into the 3 minus 6x on the other side. So that'll be 18 minus 36x. So we got rid of the fractions, and then the way I did that created some parentheses. There's other ways of handling that, but now I've got some like terms I need to collect, so I can collect the 45x and the minus 50x, and that'll give me minus 5x, and then I can collect the negative 105 and the positive 30, and let's see, that should give me negative 75, I think. Yes, negative 75. And on the other side, I still have 18 minus 36x. I'm going to get like terms on each, common terms on each side. So I'm going to add 36x to both sides to get it off the right. And I'm going to add 75 to both sides to get it off the left. So let's see what that gives me. 36 minus 5 is 31x, and then 18 and 75 is 93, and I'll divide both sides by 3, and then my final answer will be x equals 3, and I could go back and check that if I want, but that's my solution. Thank you.